Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a Ariana Grande Thank You Next inspired makeup look. I just watched her film clip this morning and I was like, yes! So I put a little poll up on Instagram and you guys wanted to see this particular look. It is like natural and glowy, really emphasizing on the eyes and obviously the lips, but just a little bit of a different kind of contouring technique as well, and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to see how to do it, then just keep on watching. Hazel wants to be cuddled today, don't you? Don't you, love? She's had boob, but she's in a very cuddly mood, so I'm going to try my best to film this with her. Yeah, cheeky jump. Okay, so first things first, I am going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Rise and Prime Luminescent Primer by Designer Brands. Oh man, got dribble on me. That is okay. I wanted to say as well, my eye is recovering. I've had like a massive irritation in my eye. Got drops for it. It's all getting sorted, but just thought I'd let you guys know. Foundation today, like her base looked absolutely flawlessly gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with my go-to favorite foundation, which is the RCMA foundation. So this is the shade Olive 1. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Beige. I'm going to pat on the excess on top of my lid, which will help be the base for when I do the rest of my makeup. Okay, so from what I gather, she's got not like insane amounts of contouring. There is contouring, but it really seems like the eyeshadow is like exaggerated from this portion. Contouring around the forehead, definitely the chin. So I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring first, and then we'll go over the top with the powder to set it and lock it all in place. So I'm going to contour here. This will just kind of be the outline base. So pretty much from the side of my eye out. Obviously cheekbones. And I'm just gonna buff that out with my sponge. Next, going in with a contouring powder. I'm gonna use a combination of these two first shades. And basically over the cream that we just did, I'm just gonna set that in place, define the contouring a lot more. Alright, I'm also going to go in with the same shadows and do a wash over my lid. Firstly doing that lighter colour and also like dragging it out in that outer portion. Then I'm just going to go in with these two darker shades, define that crease just slightly and also connect it out. Moving on to eyes, I've done one eye already. I'm going to go in with Pretty Vulgar, the ink liner. This is in 02 Plot Twist. So this is a brown liner, but feel free to use black if you want to use black. And then I'm also going to line it along the lower portion. And then we're going to go in with some shadows and blur and buff that out. Also smoke out the liner just slightly. So now I'm going to do lashes and mascara and I will be back. So at the same time, the blush looks quite kind of subtle but still blended in with the contour. So I'm going to go in with this Ellis Baked Blush in Orchid and just kind of lightly applying it. Like I don't want to look like I've got massively coloured cheeks. It's almost like contouring with a bit of blush.
Did it? We're going to see Grandma and Granddad. Did it? That fat guy who lives with Grandma. Did it?
Then for highlight, I'm going to be using my Tarte Exposed highlight. Do a little bit on brow bone. Yeah, gorgeous girl. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. And then I'm gonna highlight in this with this as well. It doesn't look like she has like a drastic highlight, but
Daddy, you're so cool. Daddy, you're supposed to have. Sorry.
It's alright. But I do want to still incorporate a little bit. Like this can be a blingy highlight if you use a lot, but with just a little bit, I think it's okay. Alright, so then for the lips, she has a bright pink kind of glossy looking lip. So I'm gonna go in with Flamingo by Lime Crime. This is honestly a shade that I very rarely wear. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. I don't know if it's gonna be, it's light. I don't know if it's bright enough though. And then for the gloss, I'm gonna use a little bit of Designer Brand's Lip Elixir, and I am just gonna pat that in over the top. And here you have the finished look. Thank you Rainbow so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that jazz. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.